Hello everyone, how are you? This is Kay. Good to see you. I would like to share my analysis on gold today. This is the 4th of February in 2025 on Tuesday, and I've seen that the market's gold is renewing higher. It reached the target of 2800, like I mentioned in Sunday's weekly forecast, and it's renewing higher. So today I want to share my analysis on gold regarding weekly and the daily time frames by using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. So let me switch the screen to trading view. And here is gold XAUUSD, and this is a weekly time frame. And as you can see, the price is higher now, and it broke my target this week of 2800 already. It has reached yesterday, and it's renewing higher already now, and the target now is on the 2900. And this is not overbought to me because as I use Ichimoku and the Kumo itself, it shows that this is still stable bullish trend. Whenever I look at the chart through Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, I do look at the shape of the Kumo. And this is the gray area here is called Kumo. And Kumo is composed of two lines. One is the Senko span B. This lower line is called Senko span B. And the upper part is called Senko span A. And the area between Senko span A and B is called Kumo, or cloud in English. And what this means is that this is the direction of the long-term market momentum in the long term. So that means if the Kumo is bullish and if the gap between the Senko span A and B is big like this, then that means this is stably bullish. So from the Kumo perspective also, it's bullish. And then I do look at the lines through Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen. The green line is called Kijun-sen, which represents the midterm market momentum, and the blue line is called Tenkan-sen, which represents the short-term market momentum. And these lines are now pointing up, as you can clearly see, and also the prices are above the Tenkan-sen. This also means that the markets are bullish on short-term and mid-term, and plus long-term by Kumo. And Chikou span is the yellow line, which is 26 bars lagging, and Chikou span above the candles too. So that means it's bullish also. So far I do not see any sign of retracement. This is continuously bullish, and I'm here to take buy gold this week. So far I've looked at the lower time frames and I couldn't find any entry signals, but this week I monitor gold and try to look for an opportunity in the market. So this is weekly projection. If it's weekly is bullish, then I never sell. I only look for buying opportunities because I'm a trend follower and I follow the major trend directions. So now let me quickly go down to the daily time frame. So daily time frame has been supported by the trend line before, and after this, after the breakout of this double top, exactly on 21st of January, the market then became bullish trend. And then also there was a resistance of 2800, and which broke yesterday. And again, the prices are above Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, and Kumo, and Chikou span above the candles. But one thing to note is that the Kumo here in the daily time frame is a bit smaller than the weekly Kumo. I mean, the Kumo means again the gap between the Senko span A and the Senko span B here. And again, if you can remember, weekly Kumo is really thick, like this gap. But the daily Kumo is a bit smaller. So that means intraday perspective, the market may retrace or range. So yesterday was bullish and it renewed higher, but this week may consolidate, or today or tomorrow, the day after may consolidate. Then the market can break bullish sometime towards the end of this week or next week, is my perspective. But either way, it's bullish now. So if it moves higher, of course, I continue buy gold and keep holding until the market goes, market stops bullish trend in this momentum. One thing also about my strategy is that I never exit when the market's bullish still. And when the market stops bullish trend, that's when I exit my trade. So I say targets are 2800 before, and now it's 2900. But even if the market reaches there, if the trend is still continuous, I don't exit the trade. I don't take profit there. And that's my strategy. But rather, if the market starts to retrace before reaching 2900, then that's when I take profit instead. So as a trend follower myself, I thought gold is such a good example today to show. That's why I wanted to quickly share this analysis and for you to learn and also to take it as a reference to be able to trade on your own. So looks like the markets are in Forex markets are now a bit ranging and a bit choppy, but I found gold to be bullish trend still. So I thought it's a good market continuously. So this week, since this is the first week of the month, we have lots of big news. So we have to be careful. Whenever there's big news ahead, then I don't enter trade. I always trade after the news and see how the market goes after the big news. So let's see how it goes. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great week this week, and until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you.